Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here at Deltec Batteries in Bellville. Today is a very special day for us because we're here to honor a battery today. This battery is being awarded a service award for very good service given to Mr. Kmussen, who was his previous owner. So I'm very happy to present this certificate, a service award certificate, to Mr. 1250 Battery. Thank you very much for all you've done for Mr. Kmussen. You have proven that Deltec batteries are proper batteries and can last quite a significant amount of time and give good service to our customers. So congratulations and well done, Mr. Battery. Your certificate, sir. Thank you very much for joining us today for this auspicious occasion.